let's talk open houses. So do you remember my video from last week? The one where I said to see a property now, at least starting tomorrow, August 17th, Saturday, you are going to have to sign paperwork with your real estate agent. So here's the scoop. Here's the exception to the rule. Open houses. So Saturday, 1 to 3. Open Sunday, 2 to 4. Open Sunday, 1 to 3. Open now. Guess what? Open houses are your time. Go to those open houses. You do not have to sign paperwork to go to an open house. This is a great time to interview a realtor. See if you jive with them. See if their personality matches you. See if they seem to know what they're doing. It is the perfect time to not just check out an amazing property, and also just to see, is this the person that will work for me?